So the other day at the thrift store, I found a great find. I found this Amazon Basics compact bread machine for $9.99, and I think it sells online right now for about $69. And it was hardly used. I could tell it had been used maybe once or twice. So I grabbed it up and brought it home and started baking bread in it. Now the menu says it does 1.5 pound and 2 pound loaves. But I tried a 2 pound loaf in the bread machine and it was way too big for this little machine. It actually rose up and raised the lid way up off the machine. And of course I had a lot of bread to clean off of the machine. But the 1 pound and the 1.5 pound loaves that I have done have turned out fabulous. So this is a very good machine if you want a smaller machine, and if you want a bread machine but you don't want to invest a lot of money. For $69, it's a great deal. And it has this machine has 14 functions. I looked online and I think some of those might have 15 or 16 functions. It does have, this one has 14. They are basic, French, whole wheat, quick, sweet, gluten-free, dough, kneading, cake, express, jam, yogurt, bake, and homemade. My only disappointment is I cannot find a working timetable for the menu options on this machine. I did find the manual online that comes with this machine, but it does not have the working timetable. And what a working timetable is, like for the basic loaf, it will tell you how long it's going to mix or knead the first time, and then if it rests, how many minutes it rests, and how many minutes it's going to rise, and how many minutes it's going to knead again, and how many minutes it's going to do the knockdown and the bake and all of that. It will tell you in the working timetable. So you're kind of working a little bit blind because you don't know really in detail what each of these functions do. For example, it has a dough cycle, number 7, and a kneading cycle, number 8. I don't know the difference between those two, and I won't know until I actually put something in there and give it a try, because there is no working timetable. There is a manual that may explain a little bit about what they do. I looked through it, it was not detailed at all, but I just like a working timetable. So Amazon, if you're listening, a working timetable for your Amazon Basics bread machine would be a plus for those of us who are serious about making bread. So anyway, this is a great little machine. I'll leave a link below for how you can find it on Amazon if you want to look there, and I do get a small commission if you use the link to buy the machine. And today we are going to use this machine and show off its ability by making a 1.5 pound loaf of sun-dried tomato bread. I've been wanting to make a sun-dried tomato bread video for a while, and so I thought this would be the perfect time to do so. Oh, and by the way, the pan that comes with the Amazon Basic bread machine is non-stick coated, and so is the paddle, is also non-stick coated. I know that is, for some people, that is a big turnoff. They just don't want that. So I just want to point that out in case you are thinking about buying it and you wonder what kind of pan it comes with. It's not ceramic. It's some kind of a non-stick coated. But as long as it's not scratched up or skin up, I think we'll be fine with that.